Have you ever felt the excitement of planning a journey where the world becomes your canvas and adventure awaits just around the corner? Today, we're here to guide you through those crucial steps that ensure your upcoming travels are not just smooth, but deeply enriching. So what are these essential keys to preparing for a memorable adventure? Well, we're about to find out. Now, let's set out on this exploration together right here on Traveler's Soul. Number 1. Research your destination. Our first and foremost step is to do thorough research on your destination. Remember, knowledge is power. Dive into the history, culture, language, and traditions of your chosen place. Understanding the local culture not only enriches your experience, but also ensures that you approach the destination with respect for its way of life. Familiarizing yourself with key attractions and landmarks, along with their historical and cultural significance, allows you to appreciate them more deeply when you visit. It's like having your personal tour guide within you. So, dig into travel guides, documentaries, and local blogs to absorb all the information you can. Number 2. Plan your itinerary. Once you've gathered a treasure trove of knowledge about your destination, it's time to craft your itinerary. Create a flexible schedule outlining what you'd like to do each day. Having a plan helps you make the most of your time, but it's essential to leave room for spontaneity. Some of the best travel experiences come from embracing the unexpected, like stumbling upon a charming local market or striking up a conversation with a friendly stranger. Your itinerary should strike a balance between must-see sites and off-the-beaten-path gems, allowing you to explore the iconic landmarks and discover hidden treasures you won't find in guidebooks. A well-planned itinerary sets the stage for memorable adventures. Number 3. Secure necessary travel documents. Before embarking on your journey, ensure that your travel documents are in perfect order. Start by checking your passport's expiration date. It should be valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended return date. Research visa requirements for your destination and apply for one well in advance if necessary. A critical step is to make multiple copies of these essential documents. Have physical copies in different bags and digital scans stored securely online or with trusted friends or family. This redundancy is a lifesaver in case your originals are lost or stolen. If your travel plans include renting a vehicle, consider obtaining an international driving permit. It's a small effort that can save you from potential legal hassles. Number 4. Vaccinations and health precautions. Your health is your most significant asset, and this holds true while traveling. Before your journey, research any required vaccinations and make sure your routine vaccinations are up to date. Consult with your healthcare provider who can offer personalized advice on staying healthy during your trip, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions. Don't forget to pack a small first aid kit with essentials like adhesive bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any prescribed medications you might need. Staying healthy on the road is vital for a smooth and enjoyable journey, so it's better to be prepared. Number 5. Accommodation booking. Ensure a comfortable journey by booking your accommodations in advance. Your choice of accommodation can significantly impact your travel experience. Consider your preferences, whether you're seeking the luxury of upscale hotels or the camaraderie of cozy hostels. Booking ahead not only provides peace of mind, but can also lead to substantial cost savings. Take the time to research different accommodation options. Read reviews from fellow travelers and check for any special offers or discounts available. Some accommodations may offer complimentary breakfast or additional services that enhance your stay. This meticulous approach can lead to delightful surprises and unforgettable moments during your journey. Number 6. Packing essentials. Packing efficiently is a critical part of your journey. Make a checklist of essential items and start packing a few days in advance to avoid last-minute stress. Consider the climate and pack clothing suitable for various weather conditions. Don't forget your toiletries, chargers for your devices, and essential travel gadgets like a versatile power bank, universal adapter, and a compact camera to capture memorable moments. To save space and reduce wrinkles, try rolling your clothes instead of folding. And always include a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated and minimize plastic waste during your adventures. Number 7. Budgeting and money matters. Financial planning is paramount for a stress-free journey. Set a budget, accounting for accommodation, transportation, dining, activities, and souvenir shopping. Be realistic about your expenses and leave some wiggle room for unexpected costs. It's wise to notify your bank or credit card company about your travel plans to avoid any issues with your cards while abroad. Additionally, Carry some local currency for small expenses and for places that may not accept cards, ensuring you're prepared for all spending scenarios. Number 8. Travel insurance. Prioritize your safety by investing in travel insurance. While it may seem like an additional expense, it's a safety net that can rescue you from financial hardships in case of unforeseen events. Travel insurance covers a wide range of potential issues, including lost luggage, trip cancellations, and medical emergencies, providing you with peace of mind throughout your journey. Before purchasing, carefully review the coverage options, choosing a policy that aligns with your travel style and the nature of your trip. Your well-being is worth every penny spent on travel insurance. Number 9. Communication tools. Staying connected while traveling is not just convenient, it's essential for both peace of mind and sharing your experiences with loved ones. A smartphone with data access becomes your lifeline for maps, translation apps, and staying in touch with friends and family. Carry a portable charger to keep your device's power on the go. If you plan to do some blogging or journaling, consider investing in a lightweight, foldable keyboard for more comfortable typing. Ensure you've downloaded relevant apps before your trip, and don't forget to secure your phone with a PIN or password for added security. Number 10. Learn some local phrases. To immerse yourself in the local culture and create meaningful connections with the people you meet, take the time to learn a few basic phrases in the local language. Even if it's just a handful of words and expressions, it can make a significant difference in your interactions and experiences. Start with common greetings, polite phrases, and essential questions like asking for directions or ordering food. Locals genuinely appreciate when travelers make an effort to speak their language, as it shows respect for their culture and often leads to delightful encounters and insights you wouldn't have had otherwise. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the essential steps of travel preparation. We hope these tips will help you make the most of your adventures. For more inspiring travel content and to stay connected with the Traveler Soul community, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So, until our next adventure, safe travels and keep exploring with heart and soul.